Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Let's Finance Your Freedom. And today we have an exciting videos regarding different size hustle, different places that you can earn money from just simply writing. If your strong point, or even if it's your strong point is not writing, there's places that you can help you to write better. And I'm on this video. In this video, I'm going to be going over about 8 or to 10 different places that you can earn money with your writing skill. Okay, it doesn't have to be writing skill. It could be your designing skill. It could be your um, proofreading, or it could be a lot of different skill. But mainly in this video, I'm going to be focusing on writing and like writing ebooks, writing blog posts, writing articles to post onto different magazine, things like that. So let's go over them. So the first two familiar places that you might heard about, first off is Fiverr and Upwork. Now Fiverr, because they have so many different writing gig, so many options for you here, that I would say this is the place to start if you're good with writing or voiceover, editing. There's so many different things here. So somebody was asking me on one of the social media how to make money in about a short amount of time, like 6 weeks or something. How can you make $1,000 to $4,000 if you have only 6 weeks to prepare to want to work from home or find a job from home, etc. The place I would start is to sell your skill on Fiverr. And look at this, so many different options for you. If you're good at graphic design, or it could be something like local SEO, email marketing, guest posting, writing, translation, all sort of book editing, like proofreading for somebody else. It could be, you're going to be reading a book and for somebody and giving them your feedback to help them write better. There's so music and audio. There's graphics, mm, like there's IT stuff, mobile apps, and all that stuff here. Yeah, there's a lot of different things here. So you can post on here that you're doing, create an app or things like that, etc. And then you can also do business, lifestyle, reading cards, videos, arts and craft, even online tutoring, life coaching, traveling, and then trending. Okay, there's resume writing to help somebody with their resume writing, arts and crafts, drop shipping, and then marketing. Yeah, so definitely there are so many different things that you can do here. It's probably like in the hundreds of thousand different type of skills that can be um, that you can offer to your clients to help them with their WordPress or your YouTube channel or their um, podcast, etc. So yeah, that's the first place I would start. The next one would be, you heard about Upward, and Upward is more people looking to post on here to help them. They post a job, and then you apply for it and things like that. So yeah, there's definitely like that. And then I would say to go try it out. The next one I have is gonna be Guru, and this is more like kind of like the same way that Fiverr has as well. If you're into writing, just click on writing, and they have all these jobs for you: translation, editing, web, books, freelancer. Yeah, so they have a whole bunch of different ones. Let's just say you want to do books. Yeah, so this is less well known, so you might have more um, for writers. You just click on writing books, or children's book, whichever ones, fiction book, ghost writing, ebook writing, etc. So yeah, you just have to go on there and try it out. Okay. The next one I have is going to be freelancer, and freelancer is where you're going to be um, posting, finding job, hiring freelancer. Let's see, by skills. So there are so many different options here, guys. Look at this: translator, hire lawyers, writer. Let's see. ghostwriter, article writer, yeah, and what is it? Graphic design, yeah, mobile app. Oh yeah, look at all that stuff here. Yeah, so go here and then go to article writers if you want to do that, and then you're gonna, yeah, look at all the profile people have here. And you click on more. And then you just have to go through $10 an hour, $5 an hour, $38 an hour, $30 an hour. Yeah, so you just have to kind of try it out and see how it works on here. Now the next one I have is going to be called Hire Writer. And this is where you can apply to write. And this is also a place if you're looking for uh, articles to be written as well or ebooks. Then we have iWriters. iWriter is another place where you can write content for your clients. You just have to apply. And then this is also another place where you want to order or become, yeah, so either one. You want to order, then you go this way. And here's the pricing for iWriter if you're like you want to hire somebody. So these are the price. These pretty straightforward, and it's based on how many words on there. See that? Yeah. So if you want to write um yeah 3,000 words, yeah, so it's about $66. Yeah, there you go. And then we want you to write the highest quality for the lowest price, FYI, all this stuff here. And they say you can increase your chances of, yeah, you have 3 days from the date, okay, submission. You have 3 days to review it, the article they've written for you, and they have the quality that they want the top writers for you, etc. So it's pretty cool place for you to help you. So besides iWriter, the next one is going to be Text Broker. Okay, Text Broker is another place that you can also write for your clients and earn money as well. So this is another place that's gonna help you. Mainly, this place is more focused on just straight writing and start for finish, outsourcing all of your content. See that? So they have places where they automate everything for you. But I want to say that if you need help with writing, there's our software and tools out there. And I want to highlight some of the tools that, you know, that can do a really good job for you for free to start out. I did some videos in the past about free forever plan. I want to highlight some of that if you need something to get started. The first one you probably heard about, which is Write AI, where they have free plan for you to start writing here. Okay, start for free. And they're pretty generous in terms of allowing you every month free plan of 100K characters per month. So that comes out to be, I want to say like um, I so 5, 6 characters is like one word for me. So it's about 2,000. What is it? 2,000, 3,000 words per month. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah. So they have pretty reasonable plan. The saver plan is this much a character, and then the $29 per month, which is unlimited. So if you need something that unlimited, and they have all these languages and usage, and also a built-in plagiarism checks. Okay, and they also generate images for your blog post, generate up to 100 images per month. And I think this is really interesting to use in your use cases. So yeah, I hope that this helps you to get you started. And if you decide to go with this plan, it's pretty reasonable price. If you want to ramp up, you can start using the free plan here for every month until you're getting better. And I would say that just to try it out, okay? Because you never know, it might picks up and you learn a skill how to write one article or something like that. Let's just say somebody pay you an article is about $30, $40 or something, or $50. I just make it simple for you to calculate out. So $50 an article, and you can write 100 article per month. So that's like 5,000 right there. Of course, you have to split some of that money for into the platform where you had it from. But coming if you can do 100 articles with the help with other tools to kind of help you get started, or to make the process easier, to cut the time of writing in half, like Write AI here, then definitely it's worth it to invest into a few dollars per month, just so that you get your feet wet and start going. And then you can also charge your clients with images into, the articles, and have built-in plagiarism checked here. So I hope that this video helps you to get started to earn some money. If I were to start over, and I am good at writing, or even though I'm not good with writing, but I know how to get started with writing about 50 to $100 articles per month, and with roughly about $50 per article, then yeah, definitely you can make your income at home just simply focusing on writing. Now, I also want to highlight that um, on Fiverr, there's so many different options here. You can also do editing and proofreading, and you can also do like formatting books and stuff like that. If you're getting good at some of these skills here, you can scale it up and make a lot of money. You can do translation if you're good at different languages. You can do, what do you call it? You can do ads copy, sell copies. You can do beta reading for a client. Okay, so if you love to read, I will be, these some of these people, they want to hire beta readers. Okay, and if you hate writing and you don't want to do any writing, that's fine. You can always still go on here and do voiceover for a book or something. Let's just say somebody have a new book coming out and they just want you to read the book for them and have the audio file. Or you can do editing, okay? You can do proofreading for somebody else. Let's just see how much it costs or how much they get paid. Yeah, so proofreading 100 words in 24 hours. See how much you can edit it, 1,000 words in 24 hours, $25. There you go. You do two a day, then you use for $50 per day. Okay, multiply by, do this how many? So if you do maybe like four article, four of this gigs here. Yeah, then of 25, so like $100 per day. Then multiply by 30 days, and that's going to be three. Yeah, three. Just aim for $100 per day. Just 3,000 right there. So if somebody looking for a job at home and they want to make $3,000 a month, definitely this is a place I would go first to get your self started. Okay. So let me know what you think. If you want more any of these type of videos where I show you where places where you can earn money, and you can get started. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And I'd love to hear what you think and what you have tried, what you thought about these platforms that I have shared with you. Any of them might be new for you. Have you heard of them before? Some of them I know you probably heard about before, but have you try any of these that works out great for you? So see you in the next video. Let me know. Thank you.